All right, if you haven't seen my last short, I have breaking news. Master Builder is back. They can't stop it. I appealed the decision that Amazon.com made to terminate my account, and the decision was overruled. I won my appeal. The link is back up. It's in the description box. And with my product being back, they just created a monster. More killer bills coming. And my next challenge is bare metal foil. Is it really worth it? I keep mine in this cardboard that I got from Model Roundup when they send it to me. Very handy. Helps to keep its shape. I always start off with a brand new blade, X-Acto number 11. Small Q-tips. And it's a slightly bigger cosmetic Q-tip I get from CVS. And my toothpicks, I dull out those points. And my trusty ruler, I like to use centimeters. This is going to be for Terry's truck, the 72. Oh yeah, you gotta have your tweezers. Can't forget those. First cut made. I'm starting with my windshield, and I'm working on the windshield wipers right now. I always press it down with my finger first. Give me some leeway. Then I come with a slightly bigger Q-tip. My smaller Q-tip. And finally, I use that toothpick with the point dulled out, getting ready for that cut. Most crucial for me is always the blade. That went fantastic. This is starting out on the right track. Then I push it down again with my Q-tips. And I like to piece mine out. Some people like to use one big sheet and cut out the middle. This works best for me. Cut off the extra. Now pushing in the rest with that smaller Q-tip. More precise cutting. And it's a nice groove there, as you can see. And that's the whole windshield done. Outstanding. I got the side done here. Just the side window. You can also take care of the trim right here. I decided not to. The back window's done. Now I got a piece right here on the top and on the bottom. I took care of both pieces of the trim, the top and the bottom. The other side as well. And that's it for the cab. Not bad at all. I got a top piece and a bottom piece on the bed. And as you can see, I got some bleeding over on my black paint. I'm gonna put a strip on this tailgate. Another precision cut. Just take your time with it. 45-degree angle. And I'm slow with it, I really am. Nervous. Scared I'm gonna slip with that blade. And I hold the blade in my hand because I got better control of it. That's both pieces done, the top and the bottom, both sides, and that tailgate. What a week. I tell you what, it's great to be back in the garage. And here are the final results of the bare metal foil job. And to answer that question, is bare metal foil worth it? Absolutely. You just can't beat it. It's real metal.